because I'm shy.
We'll be kissing.
Love poison. So when you wake up, you scream my name.
I think I can make better suya than this.
Really?
It's not like giving suya.
The one I know how to make is asu.
How do they make that?
You use soya spice too.
Goat meat.
Yeah. I did it. I
I
sent
can't
it
make
to you
it
one
though.
time.
But I know that if I check how to make it, I'll make it better. But I like their fish.
The coca fish.
Is it what fish is that?
I don't even know the name.
We can't finish it.
I think it's because it's chicken.
Yeah, I don't know. If it was meat, I'll finish it. But chicken, fuck chicken. Because I used to I eat
I didn't
chicken
know. I
every
saw
day.
suya. Was after I got it. I was like,
I eat chicken every day, so I'm sick of it.
me, I don't like meat because my teeth is very
So you
sensitive.
like chicken? I'm not tired of it. Bro, I eat chicken a lot, man.
I like meat. Don't get me wrong, but my teeth does not like meat.
Even in my teeth, I don't like it. Makoto I like them.
That's why I have different flours
Mm-hmm.
in case the meat enter my teeth.
Shamawa done. And if there was space now, you just take it.
Yeah. What they went on? The option. What if it's spicy? Would you like it?
Maybe it's not even spicy, sir. That's true.
They kept tomato.
Hmm?
They kept like this one, tomato. This one is onions. Would you try it with onions?
Ew, my mouth now be smelling for onion. Bro.
I actually like onions. You know all the spring onions? I like it.
I like onions when I'm cooking a lot. I use onions a lot. Not like
Even
I
for
will not be
noodles.
eating, yeah,
I
raw
can eat.
onions.
I can eat raw onions.
Ew,
I can eat raw tomato.
gross.
I can eat raw onions, raw tomato.
Ew. I can eat roasted.
If they pay me to eat onions and tomato, I will do it.
That was
Oh.
what's the best food you can make? That if you know that if you make it, it's always going to be sweet.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Yes.
That's the food I love the most. I can close my eyes and make it.
They don't have tiny spaghetti here.
They do.
I've never seen one.
The one I use is tiny.
They have fucking big ones. I want. Where do you get it?
Pasta.
Pasta. What's the name? Like, we dare write it like tiny spag? Because all the spag is always the same.
Do you want the tiny one that they use for like Chinese spag?
Just tiny Nigeria. Like, you know what I'm saying now.
I will send a picture to you.
What's the spark we eat? Is it not golden pen?
Yeah, golden penny. The slim one and the fat one.
I don't like fat one. But like it's the fat one I have it, so I'll make it.
Do you like pasta? Sometimes I mix it with spag. The coily one.
Macaroni. Pasta is spag now.
No.
So is what?
Pasta is the coily one.
Macaroni.
And spaghetti is the long one.
Macaroni.
Yeah.
Macaroni. I think pasta is spag. I don't know. I don't know.
Pasta. Let me show you. Where's my phone? This pasta.
Oh. Such macaroni. I don't like pasta.
This is macaroni.
This macaroni. Yeah. I don't like macaroni too.
I don't.
I don't like making it. Spag is my favorite.
Do you want more?
Oh, more. Wait, let me rest. Because my thing is
Last
full now.
one.
Nah.
Last one.
I'm happy. Serious. I swear. Like genuinely.
Open
It
your.
won't go unless I rest for like 2 minutes. It won't go.
My hand is hanging.
There's air there. Which air is this? This is the chicken air or human air?
I don't know.
Why do you want to feed me by force? Did you put what did you put there? Love potion or what did they call it?
Love poison. So when you wake up, you scream my name. I say alright. Call my name.
This thing is too much.
It is. It is. And I wanted to like get the fish, but I said you don't want fish. Assuming it was yeah. Assuming it was fish, it would have been more better. We'll finish it.
When they have like eja or pepper soup,
They have
do
it.
you like it? Catfish pepper soup.
They have it. I'm tired. Last one. No, let me take this one as last. Because it's smaller. We'll end up buying this thing away.
That's a sin. I'll feel bad. I'll feel bad. If you give me this, if you give me all this thing, like 4 years ago, I'll finish in like 2 minutes, bro. I'll finish everything.
The thing is, we can't pack it again because they have microwave.
Why?
You cannot put it in the microwave.
Who told you that?
I just feel like it's not okay.
They play.
Or if you microwave something and put it back in the fridge.
I do it very well, especially when
It's
I
not
cook. No, sometimes when the food is in the pot, I'll just take it out, microwave it, put the remaining one. How is it not okay?
I just feel like it's not.
Comfort me. Comfort me.
Mm.
Oh no. How can we make this thing not waste? It won't waste.
Nado.
I'll think of a solution.
Azumi is Nigeria. You give it to a dog. To a
Assuming it was like where me I live, before you reach dog place, you will finish it. You will give all this one to dog, they play. What happened to people?
In my grandma's house, they used to have dogs. If you can't finish your food, just can give it to the dog. Or help the dog to like pack it. Maybe after the dog have like, if the dog come back or if the dog is not around, just give it to the dog. Dog they used to enjoy that normal man being self sometimes.
Wow, come.
When I was staying with my cousins, if they cook, they used to add the dog on too. Don't make him much.
I'm just thinking in my own family, if we have dog, it be my pa dog. Because imagine you're putting like 3 meats for dog. I'm sure whichever person is taking that food will take 2 out of it. I just imagine on meter.
Dog used to enjoy you. Most especially my grandma's dog. You see they are fat, big.
All the dogs that me I know, they're not enjoying it. Tell them man laying okay. All those stray dogs. They'll pursue you. Had they been they gave us that thing back? The wrap inside and put it in that bag. I don't want us to put it.
So what should we do?
I'll look for solution. I'm thinking.
Or maybe we should go downstairs and ask them
Again? Nah. If you want to go shower, let me tell you.
Well, tell them they have like a takeaway plate. So like for chicken.
Man, yeah, it's budget.
They can't see that. They don't even care.
We are going to go now.
No, I'm not going now. When we are going.
Okay, so when we are going, you take it like this to them. Okay.
Be like, if they don't mind, because we don't want to trash it.
Oh.
There's no harm in being nice. I'm full. My stomach is big already.
Really big.
Why are you smiling? You're done eating. Just off the camera. Just off it. Okay, what do you want to be doing now? Because I'm shy.
We'll be kissing.
Should we do never have I ever?
No.
Yes. I have questions.
No. No.
That would be fun.
Mm-mm.
So what should we do?
If I do it, it's light out food here.
You don't have to like just say it. I think I have the questions on my note. I did it with my sister. Let's do that one.
That's the one.
Never have I ever.
Okay.
Yeah, you start. Say something.
Never have I ever talked to 2 person at the same time.
You? Are you asking me?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Okay.
Never have I ever used somebody else's toothbrush.
Oh. I used to use my brother's toothbrush when I was like 13, so
Okay, your question.
Never ever ever.
It's not meant to be like never have you ever, or are you supposed to say never ever ever because it's your question?
I don't know. Check
Okay,
ChatGPT.
wait. Okay, is actually right.
Never ever ever stole meat from the bot. Oh yeah, lie.
Yes,
I've never
I did
done.
it last week. It's not actually stealing. I took it because it's my house.
They play.
Mm-hmm. Let me think about a question.
Just check ChatGPT and make our life easier and choose one.
Never have I accidentally sent a text to the wrong person.
Oh, there was even one like I don't want to go into context, but I was talking about someone to my friend, and I was now doing voice note about the person to my friend. And I sent the voice note to the person.
I think he told me.
The person now listen to it. I just I saw lol. I manipulated it near. Fucking funny man.
Ask a question.
Never ever ever. Mm, never ever ever. Bro, I need ChatGPT, bro. I'm not thinking well. Connect. Never ever ever. Use an excuse to cancel plans.
Yes.
Yeah, I think everyone has done that.
Never have I ever talked in my sleep.
Oh, I used to talk in my sleep. Oh. Yeah.
Your question.
Never have I ever crushed on my senior. A question on your senior. They play.
When I was in JS
All your seniors,
let me
classmates,
just
all
say.
the girls.
When I was in JS3, I liked someone that was in SS3.
Ah, ee, ó fẹ́ràn
And the
mọ̀lọ́mọ̀lọ́
person
sẹ́wọ̀n.
is really like someone people actually really like as well.
Ó fẹ́ràn mọ̀lọ́mọ̀lọ́
So
sẹ́wọ̀n.
one of my seniors that liked him because I was in the hostel, she used to punish me. She told me to come and kneel down for no reason.
Good.
She even said,
So did your senior was it talking to you? So he liked you too. Ah, senior. I won't say anything.
I still have his number saved.
Hmm. Hmm.
But yeah, after he left our school,
Ah,
he went to
they need to
uni
arrest him, lock
and
him up.
yeah, they have girlfriend. So we did not date though, but we liked each other.
So he used to text like I like you, I really like. And it was in SS3.
Yeah,
Okay,
now I think he's already like 24, 25, I don't know. He's really old.
they need to lock that senior up or flipping out. Your turn.
Let me check. Never have I ever been in a weird friendship group.
Oh, I have. Like our vibes were totally different. Yeah.
Your question.
Never have I ever. Never have I ever peed on myself when I was young and put someone there and lied they peed.
No, actually, I didn't lie, but yeah, I've peed and I used to do well.
I've never peed on myself before in my life.
I've peed on myself even when I was laughing, like serious. I don't know. Yeah, It
Wow.
happened recently.
I've stopped paying myself since I was 2 years old.
Yeah, I stopped since I was 2 years old, but this one was like just a random day. You don't know. I dreamt I was inside the toilet.
How old were you? Chai. As old as you were.
15.
All your toaster will be watching this. They'll be like, oh, I don't want to. That girl that paid herself.
Never have I ever lost a bet and had to do something embarrassing.
Bro, all the times I've lost bets, I lose money. Not something embarrassing.
Your
Oh,
question.
embarrassing thing. Have I ever wrote a love letter? Ah,
I got caught.
Sulia. Oh no, Toby.
So basically,
This is
I
Ore.
was in SS1
I really like you a lot and I love you.
and I wrote a love letter
Will
to
you be my girl
my
boyfriend?
crush. So there's this boy, we're really close. His name is Brady. He took my book, he was reading it, and my government teacher saw it. My government teacher was like, pass me the book. Then he took it. I was not trying to do, this big girl now that give me my book, blah blah blah. The man was not like, he's going to read it out, and I said, you should read it. I was even thinking he was not going to do that, but he did it. The first day I saw it, my heart was beating fast. Okay, your question. Oh, is it my turn? You were flipping the camera when I was doing my door, so you have to edit that part. Never have I ever googled something really weird. I think you have.
Maybe ChatGPT, but not really Google.
Something weird.
Yeah.
Example.
Ask ChatGPT. Oh, there's nothing coming to my ball. I used to ask ChatGPT some weird things.
Your question.
Never have I ever. Never have I ever tried to change my report card result.
No, because my result is always good. No. Have you ever?
Oh yeah.
Even if I try, my mom's going to kill me.
She does if she knows.
She will know because they don't use pen to write our result.
You type it.
Yeah.
That was when I was in GS 3000.
Never have I ever tried to act cool and totally failed.
I'm sure I would have, but there's nothing coming to my head.
Your question.
Never have I ever. Never have I ever liked someone and pretend I didn't like them.
Yes.
People tell you, oh, you like him. Me, kid, I don't like him. Oh. It's not even my spec.
I've done this so many times. And deep down, I know I like the person. Never have I ever sneaked out.
True. I've sneaked in back self. I've even jumped the gates and sneak out. Because I wanted to go and play ball.
Your question.
Never have I ever took money from my mom's purse.
No.
Oh, I have. My mom beat the hell out of me.
Okay.
Since then, like this, if I see people post there, I'll go there. Where my mom beat me.
Never have I ever. Let me think about a question.
Okay, never have I ever dated someone I didn't like.
No, I don't think so.
Never have I ever
Have you
kissed someone I don't
have
like.
you ever dated someone you don't like?
Never have I ever kissed someone, but I've kissed someone I don't like.
No. If I have to kiss you, I like you.
Oh, I used to kiss like mad. Especially when I used to do kiss or grab.
Never have I ever. Let me think. Licked my blood.
Ew.
Like you got injured and you licked it.
Oh, don't tell me you did it. Which? No. Yeah.
I am.
Which?
Your question. Never have I ever. Yeah, I'm listening.
Never have I ever. Never have I ever. I don't know. Never have I ever. Got beaten in a fight. They
No.
whoop your ass in the fight.
No. No, you cannot beat me.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, yeah. One girl like that. That time I was really young. I thought I could like undo her. We were insulting each other, so I was upstairs, she was downstairs. She said, Taba Pieda, what's this? I don't know, because I watched one Igbo movie like that. That two girls were fighting, they beat themselves. So I like you imagine it in my head that I'll beat her. The girl beats me. And I went to my grandma crying, saying, she beat me on my chest. Because that time my chest is to pain. I said, that's why she was able to beat me. My catcher. But yeah, the girl actually beat, but I don't know the girl. I don't even know who she is now. I don't know. Your question?
Is there no me to ask now?
Oh. Never have I ever faked being mad to get attention.
Oh yeah. I've even faked crying myself. Me and my friend in school. So the girls will come. They're crying like, oh, where's it? His name is Noim. He's going to see this video. A faked cry and then. Yeah. Never ever ever. Ever. Farted and pretended it wasn't me when they were. I was looking for. This is very bad. Who farted?
I have.
So yeah. One more. I'm tired.
Never have I ever lied about where I was, most especially to me.
It's my friend that used to do that. So. Very well.
Okay.
Never ever ever. Um. Never ever spoil something when I was young and kept it there like that, like it wasn't me.
I still do it. I still do it sometimes.
Last one.
Never ever sent a risky text and
Oh,
regretted it
too many times.
immediately. Ask me the last question.
Never ever ghost camp.
Yes, I have. I have. You know the time that they used to do on WhatsApp that they'll say send 10k, collect 20k. I did it with my friends. We're in the hostel and all of us money was like 40k and they said we're going to collect 100k. and I initiated it. The person blocked me. We use another number to call the person blocked me. No.
You're like, give us our 40k back home. We don't want your 100k. And please now.
And the person, if you see the person, you think the person is very rich on Instagram.
All these Yahoo boys.
This one is even a girl. Like, she looks, all these
It might
sexy
even be a guy.
Instagram body.
No, he's a guy. A catfished you guy.
Then he said, I used to like see his WhatsApp status. I don't know, I don't even care right now. Like, bro, it was really tough. I had to pay all the money back because I was the one that went to meet them that they should. They should let us see. I was like, calling my mommy, I want to buy textbook. I called my mom, mommy, I want to buy textbook. So my mom sent me money again and I had to pay because I brought it up. And that was it.
Yeah, your last one.
I thought this was the last one.
Yeah, you read your last class.
Let me think. I don't know. Let me check. Never have I gotten caught dancing alone in my room. You were trying to like hide from people, but like eventually you got caught dancing.
I even got caught talking to myself. Yeah. And I'll not,
My mom
you'll be
is
like
always
this.
angry whenever I talk to
Then
myself.
someone come, like, I'll turn it to singing. That awkward moment that I'll be like, I see that someone say, you try to play it.
Wait, one last question. Never have I ever like, how do I put it? You want people to actually notice you, but like you are trying to do that thing so people can notice you. So you are checking if the person is coming, if someone is coming, but you really want them to notice you.
I don't get it.
Like you're doing something, you are trying to act like you don't care if anybody sees you, but like you are desperate for someone to see you.
I don't know. Maybe.
I am.
What's that?
I don't know, but like I just do it sometimes. Like I just want people to notice what I'm doing, but like I act like I don't even want you to see it.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Off your camera. Or do you have anything to say? Tell them to subscribe to your YouTube channel. You don't want them to subscribe.
Unsubscribe.
Why?
Unlike and not subscribe.
Guys, go and subscribe to my own YouTube channel too. Even though I'm not posting yet, but you see
No free promo. Don't subscribe.
No, guys. Go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Free promo.
Life of Lizzie.
I'll blur it
And
out.
guys, go and follow me on Instagram.
I'll blur it out.
Follow me on TikTok. Life of Lizzie.
I'll blur.
Follow my makeup page.
I'll
Glam by
blur it
Lizzie.
out. I'll blur it out.
No, there's no way. Guys, don't mind him. Follow me on Instagram.
No free promo.
There's free
You have to
promo.
pay.
And guys, if you want to do makeup, if you want your friends to do makeup or whatever, your wife, your girlfriend, come to me. Glam by Lizzie on Instagram. He's going to post it. Thank you. Bye.